Hello and welcome to Math Matters. I'm Ms. Whitehead Tambani, and today we are going to learn about creating and solving story problems. One way of making story problems is by using events that happen in your life. My granddaughter Shaylin and I went to visit Auntie Steph and Gypsy. They love doing crafts together and they decided to make candles. Shaylin, Steph, and Gypsy made candles. They had fun creating their own design. They made 3 candles and had a lot of fun creating different designs. When I got home, I decided to make some candles too. I made 3 candles. Some are blue and some are red. How many could be blue and how many could be red? I know this is a tricky problem because I didn't tell you how many red or how many blue. That's because there isn't just one answer. Do you believe that? There are 2 different answers you could have. Since some of them had to be blue and some had to be red, there were 2 ways I could make my candles. I could have 2 blue and 1 red, and I could have 2 red and 1 blue. See, there were 2 different answers. I have 3 candles and some are red and some are blue. The answers were I could have 2 blue and 1 red, or I could have 2 red and 1 blue. This kind of story problem is when you know the total or whole amount and you can find different answers for what the 2 parts are. Let's try another one. When Shaylin comes to visit me, she invites her best friend Joaquin to the house. They were watching a YouTube video about making pancake art, so they decided to try it. Joaquin and Shaylin making pancake art. Look at what they created. A flower, smiley face, heart, and a rainbow. It was so much fun and they were very proud of their designs. I wanted to make some pancake art too, so I decided to make 4 smiley faces. Some are green and some are yellow. How many could be green and how many could be yellow? There were 3 different ways I could make my pancake art. I could make 3 green and 1 yellow. I could make 2 green and 2 yellow. And I could make 1 green and 3 yellow. So there were 3 different ways I could make my pancake art. I could make 3 green and 1 yellow. I could make 2 green and 2 yellow. And I could make 1 green and 3 yellow. There's a lot of different ways I can make pancake art using just yellow and green. This is me, and I have a lot of toys and crafts in my house for my 2 grandchildren, Shaylin and Willow. One thing I like to play with is the Play-Doh. In this picture, I decided to make a very big ice cream cone using the Play-Doh and paper. I made an ice cream cone with 5 different kinds of ice cream. I'm glad this isn't real ice cream or it would be melted all over my hand. Now I want to make 5 ice cream cones with some of them strawberry and some of them mint chocolate chip. How many could be strawberry and how many could be mint chocolate chip? I could have 1 strawberry and 4 mint chocolate chip. I could have 3 strawberry and 2 mint chocolate chip. I could have 2 strawberry and 3 mint chocolate chip. Or I could have 4 strawberry and 1 mint chocolate chip. See, there were 4 answers I could have using 5 cones with some strawberry ice cream and some mint chocolate chip ice cream. Some of you may be wondering why we couldn't have 5 strawberry and no mint chocolate chip. Or why we couldn't have 5 mint chocolate chip and no strawberry. Well, that's because my story problem said I had 5 cones and some were strawberry and some were mint chocolate chip. Some means there had to be at least one of each kind. Using the sentences on the screen, try and make up your own story problem for your family. I have 4 objects, whatever you want to use. Some are one color and some are another color. How many could be the first color and how many could be the second color? In today's episode of Math Matters, we learned about creating and solving story problems. Try to make a story problem for your family today. Make sure to let them have a turn creating story problems too. I'm Miss Whitehead Timbani. I hope you have a great day and keep on counting.